So hello everyone, welcome back to my AutoMT YouTube channel, and today I have brought for you the best list of top 12 sand pool filters pumps. So this pool filter pumps list is based on the best positive customer review ratings and budget price, and which ones that have the highest online sales, and you won't need to go anywhere else to choose the best sand pool filter pumps. Your best for pumps will be available from our this video, and this list save you lots of time and money. Let's start. At number 1 is XtremepowerUS 13 sand filters, which is cost around $149, 4.3 out of 5 star, and 1195 customer already reviewed this. At number 2 is pump. At number 2 pump is Intex SX2 2800 crystal clear sand filter pump, which is cost around 233, 4.5 out of 5 star, 90,000 customer reviewed this item. And to view the entire pumps list, watch our video until the end, and if you will get your best sand pool filter pumps, don't forget to subscribe. One thing more, price may be vary in future during the deal season, and I will share all the sand pool filter pump buy links in the description box below. You can buy from there. And guys, keep watching our video because I share all the pumps model name, current price, customer review ratings in this video, which is most important thing when you buy anything online. Guys, if you get your best pumps from our video, so please subscribe me and share our video with your friends and family. And thanks for watching our video.